Our Nano-Ceramic Maintenance package has been designed for two types of people. First, if you have a vehicle on which you have applied a nano-ceramic coating, this package is designed to remove all of the contaminants that stick to the coating over time and prevents it from doing its job repelling the water and dirt. In this case, we recommend that you do a maintenance detail once a year, ideally in the spring. The second group for which this package will be appropriate is the person who doesn't have a nano-ceramic coating on the vehicle and prefers to protect the paint for up to 1 year. In this case, after doing a complete decontamination of the paint, a nano-ceramic sealant will be applied, and this product offers up to 1 year of protection. This exterior package includes 8 consecutive steps of detail cleaning, with products designed to remove contaminants that cannot be removed during the normal wash. This includes rolled film that will make the paint look dull and give it a brownish tint, tree sap that will destroy the paint if not removed quickly, tar that appears as small black dots on the lower part of the vehicle and on the wheels, water spots composed of mineral deposits that will eat through the paint if not removed, insect bodies that are present on the front of the vehicle during the warm months, and iron particles that will come mostly from brake dust. The detail wash includes an undercarriage pressure washing to remove the dirt, salt, and calcium that will speed up the creation of rust. Every grille, nook and crannies, panel gaps, and the gas cap compartment will be detail cleaned to remove as much dirt as possible. The vehicle will then be protected with a nano-ceramic sealant that is compatible with the nano-ceramic coating that might be present. This will offer a sacrificial layer of additional protection. If no coating is present, the product will offer up to 1 year of protection on the paint. The wheels will also be protected with the same product. Tires will be protected for a few weeks. Our team will spend about 4 hours doing all of the steps of cleaning and protection and will leave the car in its best possible condition short of doing a paint correction. If you are looking for a longer duration protection, we invite you to look at our 2-year and 5-year nano-ceramic coating packages on the service page of the website. Otherwise, if this package suits your need, all you have to do is fill the request and we will contact you to find the time that suits you best for our visit. We're looking forward to speaking with you and becoming your partner for the maintenance of your vehicle.